The Dominion of Canada A4 class chassis made by Bill Blackburn 25 years ago has now undergone its major rebuild. You can see here the basics of the mechanism with the coreless motor in the tender driving through a flywheel and universal joint to the locomotive itself. The valve gear is simplified as this engine is hidden by balances. We can see the multi-stage gearbox driving through to the middle axle. This locomotive uniquely has anodized aluminium axles with wiper pickups. We can see there the gears working in the gearbox driving through to the centre axle. After the repair, we can now see Dominion of Canada at speed, roaring up through Belle Isle on Copenhagen Fields with the Coronation train behind it. This is the first time that the Coronation has actually worked on Copenhagen Fields and is now running as a full 9-coach train, fully articulated, fully streamlined and looking, I think, rather fine.